Hello. Today we will paint Easter eggs with onion peel and cabbage. Let's go. I have red cabbage here and I'm going to cut it in half. I will cut one half of the red cabbage into smaller pieces. I will transfer the cabbage cut like this to the pan. I will pour water into the pot to cover the cabbage. From the moment the water boils, I will boil the cabbage for 20 minutes. While I wait for it to cook, I will prepare the eggs. I bought it white eggs with a stamp on them. Remove the seal with the help of vinegar. I prepared the eggs and I will chop the skin of the onion and red onion. I will chop the onion peel. Cut one cheesecloth into smaller pieces. I will dip the eggs in water first. Then I will roll the eggs in the onion skin. I put the egg on cheesecloth. And I will gather the ends of the gauze. I also need thread and I will tie the gauze with it. This is how I will do all the eggs. The cabbage was boiled for 20 minutes and see how the water took on a nice color. I will add 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of salt and stir. I will put the eggs in the pan. Cover the eggs with the cabbage. I put the pan on the stove and from the moment the water boils, I will boil the eggs for 10 minutes. The eggs have been cooked and I will leave them like this for 2 hours to cool down. The eggs have cooled and now I will take them out of the cheesecloth. Wash the egg in water. And place on a napkin to dry. That's how I'll do all the eggs. The eggs have dried and I will coat them with vegetable oil to give them a shine. and so I will do all the eggs. Look how beautiful these Easter eggs are painted with natural colors. If you like this recipe of mine, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.
I prepared the onion peel and put it in the pot. I will pour water into the pot. The water must cover the onion skin. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I will cook for 30 minutes with the lid on. After 30 minutes of cooking, see how the onion skin has released a nice color. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix. I prepared 10 fresh eggs, white in color, which were kept at room temperature. I put the eggs in a pan with onion skins. Write me in the comments, from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Cover the eggs with the onion peel. From the moment the water boils, reduce the temperature and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of cooking, I will remove the eggs from the pan. You can cook them longer if they take on more color. We put them on a towel to dry. I will leave the eggs painted like this with onion skin to cool. While I'm waiting for the eggs to dry, I've prepared yellow and red liquid paint here. And I will put them in hot water to stand for 5 minutes. After standing in the hot water for 5 minutes, I will squeeze the yellow color onto the glove. Add very little red color and mix the colors. Take the egg and roll it in the color. And do all the eggs like this. Do not put the eggs on the paper because they will stick. Repeat the procedure several times until the desired color. I will leave the eggs painted like this to dry completely. Look at how our Easter eggs look, beautiful colors. They are very easy and quick to prepare. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thanks, friends. I prepared the onion peel and put it in the pan. I will pour water into the pot. The water must cover the onion skin. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I will cook for 30 minutes, covered. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. After 30 minutes of cooking, see how the onion skin has released its color. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. And I will stir. Here I prepared 10 fresh white eggs. Eggs are room temperature. I'll put them in a pan with onion skins. Eggs covered with onion skins. Eggs prepared like this. From the moment the water boils, I will boil them for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will remove the eggs from the pan. You can cook them even longer if the eggs take color more difficult. I put them on a towel to dry. Eggs painted like this with onion peel. I will let them cool. The eggs have cooled, and now I will coat them with vegetable oil. Here it is, and I'll put them in the basket. That's how I'll do all the eggs. You have seen how to easily and quickly obtain beautiful eggs painted with onion skin in a natural way. If you like this recipe of mine, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thanks, friends! Today I'm going to show you how to whiten eggshells naturally. In a deep pan, I will arrange eggs that are at room temperature. Then I will pour water into the pan to cover the eggs. I will add 200 milliliters of vinegar, 9%. I put the eggs prepared like this on the stove. I turn on the stove, and from the moment the water boils, reduce the temperature and cook the eggs for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking, the color gradually comes off the eggs. I return the egg and continue cooking. After 10 minutes of cooking, I remove the eggs from the heat and cool them with cold water. I need a sponge, and we're going to rub the eggs with the sponge right away. You can see the paint coming off. And the eggs prepared in this way are ready for painting. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.